Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove shape outline in Photoshop. So let's started. At first open your Photoshop document. Now you can see remove shape outline in Photoshop. Now you can see then we going to the now you can see then we show the shape outline. Now remove the outline shape. Now go to the layer option. Now click from mouse right button. Now click from blending option. I select from now it show the new interface. I can see then it show the now click from stroke. Now remove the tick mark in the stroke, that is then click OK. Now I can see then again the remove shape outline. Now apply the same process and going to the layer option. Now click from mouse right button and click from blending option. Now going to the stroke. Now remove the stroke, the tick mark. Now click OK. That is. Now I can see remove shape outline in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.